Vaults on Natural are one-way accounts for agents. Although you can control everything you want to do with limits, we wanted you to feel that extra level of comfort using Natural, and so we built vaults. Agents can only move money into vaults, but they cannot move money out of vaults. I'm going to move over to the dashboard to show you the vault I have. You'll see my vault has $1,000, my wallet has $3,000, and my savings wallet has another $1,000. Jumping into Claude, I'm going to go, what's my balance in each of my wallets? This will return to me the exact same thing, which is that my vault has $1,000 and my other two wallets have roughly $3,900. Now I'm going to try moving money from my vault to my wallet. Can you move $1,000 from my vault to my default wallet? Claude will try this, but it'll be rejected because agents aren't allowed to move money out of vaults. Why don't we try moving money into the vault? Can you deposit $1,000 from my wallet into my vault? This, however, will work because agents are allowed to move money into vaults. Tabbing back to the dashboard, you'll see that my vault now has $2,000 and my wallet has $1,000 less. Vaults and wallets support expanded FDIC insurance, so you can store hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars on Natural and have peace of mind.